7 methods to make $1,000 or more a month online as a writer. Prince Harry's best-selling book Spare was written by the ghostwriter, J.R. Moringa. It has sold more than 3.2 million copies in 1 week. Ghostwriting a book for someone is a big task and maybe not the easiest place to start to monetize your gift and passion for writing. How to make money as a writer online. 1. Freelance writing. Freelance writers may write articles, blog posts, product descriptions, and other types of content for websites, magazines, newspapers, and other publications. 2. Blogging. Bloggers can earn money through advertising, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and other monetization methods. 3. Content writing. Content writers may create website copy, marketing materials, product descriptions, and other types of content to help businesses promote their products or services. 4. Technical writing. Technical writers may work for software companies, manufacturers, and other organizations that produce technical products. 5. Copywriting. Copywriters may write advertising copy, brochures, sales letters, and other types of marketing materials. 6. Ghostwriting. Ghostwriters are typically paid for their work but do not receive public credit for it. 7. Self-publishing. Self-publishing can be a great way to get your writing out there, but it requires a significant amount of work in terms of editing, formatting, and marketing. All of these types of writing niches can make you over $1,000 a month as a writer. You just need to choose and act. There are many different ways to make money writing, and each method has its own advantages and drawbacks. It's important to research and choose the method that best suits your interests, skills, and goals. Some methods require a more significant investment of time and money than others. It has never been easier to make money from writing.